The Mason City Clinic and Mercy One North Iowa Heart Center are celebrating 30 years of delivering the most advanced cardiac care to the people of North Iowa and the surrounding counties. Our topic is atrial fibrillation, or A-Fib. Dr. Ketan Koranne explains exactly what A-Fib is.
A-Fib, or atrial fibrillation, is a heart rhythm disorder in which the top chambers of the heart beat in an irregular manner. It is expected almost 5 to 6 million people in the United States suffer from atrial fibrillation by 2020. It is the most common heart rhythm disorder amongst adults.
There are many different factors that attribute to A-Fib.
The risk factors that for atrial fibrillation include things like hypertension, coronary artery disease, which is ischemic heart disease, or blockages in the heart, congestive heart failure. One of the other factors that is associated with atrial fibrillation is excessive alcohol intake as well.
Medications can usually help with A-Fib, but some patients may require additional help.
We have various options here for treatment of atrial fibrillation at Mercy One Heart Center. These include medication therapy to control atrial fibrillation, a procedure called as atrial fibrillation ablation, in which we go with electrical catheters in the heart and basically terminate some of the signals that are associated with atrial fibrillation using radio frequency energy. And one of the last resort options for patients who have rapid heartbeat due to atrial fibrillation is to give them a pacemaker that helps regulate the heartbeat.
Stroke or heart failure are two of the possible dangers associated with atrial fibrillation.
I like to divide it into two main parts. The first part is the risk of stroke associated with atrial fibrillation. The other risks with atrial fibrillation, one of the major ones, is congestive heart failure. And mainly patients who have atrial fibrillation for a long time and their heartbeat is very rapid are prone to it.
To learn more about Mercy One North Iowa Heart Center or the Mason City Clinic, go to mercyone.org and search for North Iowa Heart Center or go to mcclinic.com.